In this problem, we are given a graph, and we need to determine if the graph that is depicted by this relation defines y as a function of x. Since we're given a complete graph and not just individual points, as in the last problem, the vertical line test is a good way to go. So imagine drawing vertical lines through this graph all along the curve, and every vertical line would cross the graph in at most one place. If ever a vertical line crosses the graph more than once, then the relation is not a function. In this particular graph, though, every vertical line would cross in exactly one place. So, yes, this relation does define a function.